It understands that California accent. That's cool. That's some recognition time for it. Oh, easy.
Out here on a tributary of the Harpeth River. I guess it's beginning of fall. It's late September. Some pumpkins growing on the river. Never seen that before. Got me a river pumpkin. Check that out. That's cool. I'm gonna carve that up for Halloween. Good one. It's a bigger one with him. Got him on a Zoom Ultra Vibe Speed Craw. The color's pumpkin. Got it on a 1/8 ounce shaky head. Pretty little fish. Really healthy. I got an idea. Let's take a look underwater.
Swimming him or letting him bounce?
He's got one. Very good one. Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
They all look so healthy in here.
Get him, boy. That's a good one. Oh, baby.
There you go.
Oh, there's one.
Oh, look how pretty. Look at the coloration on that. That's cool. Dark fish. Huge, man. Just biting. Man, that was a good run it made. Gotcha. Saw that one cruising up there. The water's really clear like this, and you see a fish in the water. You know, don't cast ahead of, don't cast right on top of them. Cast ahead of them, maybe 3, 4, 5 feet. Always up current, and just let the bait drift naturally down. That way that splash from the initial cast doesn't scare them. Got him. Double hookup. Pumpkin seed?
Long-eared pumpkin.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you want to see
Yeah. Similar to pumpkin seed, huh?
it? Very similar. See if you can get the light.
Cool. Does it have a longer, that black spot's a little longer too?
Yes, exactly. And the pumpkin seed's got that same like blue, if you know what I mean.
Yeah. A stone roller?
That is, I believe, the basic chub. That's my favorite right there.
That one?
They come in 2 colors. One's kind of brown and one's silver.
Yeah, I switched from this shaky head screw lock hook, which I've had a lot of problems with this hook for some reason. I went back to, I thought I was all out of them, but I found a pack. This Owner, and a ball head Texas rig hook. Definitely hook them better on this than I do this. Not sure exactly why it is. Maybe I'm sure it has something to do with the angle of the hook and where the line tie is when you pull, how the hook turns, but it's been the one I like. You guys get some good bait?
Yeah.
Good one. Oh my god, giant!
Really?
Giant.
Oh, that's the one I saw.
Nice.
Looks like a big
It's a
spot.
big spotted bass.
It's a giant spotted bass.
Oh man, that's a good one.
Fat too. He ain't very long, but
He's a good one, man. Oh my god.
that's a big spotted bass for a little creek, huh?
Zero down.
2 1/4.
2 1/2.
Really wide too, huh?
Pound that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that was fun.
Well, I bet that's nice being able to paddle with your feet and everything.
It is, just having control. Like every once, I'll just put my feet, if I want to stop in an area, I'll just kind of rest my feet on the bottom. I can stay right here without worrying about drifting or pulling up on the bank. Giant. Thought he was a little bigger when I hooked him, but he's got a big giant head on him. The rest of his body isn't that big. Huge head on him though.